My name is Makaila, and I'm really interested in astronomy and astrophysics, and I want to be a planet hunter and an astronomy professor when I grow up. And I'm really interested in finding exoplanets and seeing what the best ways to discovering exoplanets are.
So, can you tell me a little bit about the Angelo Award? I know that you received it for doing a specific project, but tell me a little bit more about what the Angelo Award is.
The Angela Award is an award given to a girl in the grades between 5th and 8th grade who has a love and a passion for science. And it's given to one girl from all across the United States. My project to see was to see if there was a hot Jupiter and a super Earth orbiting a star, would there be a double dip? Since it's really hard to see a super Earth orbiting a star with transient photometry, but it's really easy to see a hot Jupiter. So if they were both orbiting a star, I wanted to see if there would be a double dip and if the color of the star and the speed of the hot Jupiter would affect how well you could see the dip.
You mentioned double dip. Now, what is a double dip or a dip in general?
So the main way astronomers find exoplanets is they use transit photometry. And transit photometry is when astronomers, they look at a star and they see if there's a dip in light coming from the star. And if there continues to be a dip in light coming repeatedly, then look for an exoplanet as the cause. So if there were two planets orbiting a star, I wanted to see if there would be a double dip.
Could you tell us a few of the classes that you've taken here at Steamworks?
I've taken an earth science class, and I've also taken a flex factor class. They help me learn how to do research better and how to get more information.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the results of your experiment?
Well, I use the 5 main colors of stars, which are red, yellow, white, blue, and orange. And so I had a LED light bulb that could change color and brightness. And also for the hot Jupiter, I had it move fast and slow to see if that would affect how well you could see the double dip if there was a double dip. And so what I saw was that it was easier to see the double dip when the hot Jupiter was moving slow, except for the blue star. And for the yellow star, you couldn't see the double dip at all. What I did to actually get the information to see if there was a double dip was I made an Arduino light meter and I hooked it up so it would record the different to see if there was a dip, and I put it in a chart and I saw where the dips were.
How can you take this information and use it to do your next big project?
Well, you can use this information so astronomers, if they have some information, they can find which stars have the best chance of them being able to spot a super Earth or any other exoplanet that might have life on it.
Do you have an idea for the next thing that you would like to do?
I'm probably going to stick with exoplanets, but I haven't decided what I should do for my next project.
Who would you like to sort of give a shout out to and tell them thank you for helping you out?
I would like to thank my mom for she's the one who introduced me to a bunch of different astronomy courses. I'd also like to thank my dad because he helped me set up my project.
Well, is there anything else you would like to say before we end everything? Or
Thank you for having me.
bye.
Bye.